Welcome to AI Primer for all employees. In the next few minutes, we will demystify artificial intelligence, explore how it applies to everyday work, and learn how to use it responsibly. Let us get started. We begin by cutting through the hype to understand what artificial intelligence actually is and what it can realistically do today. These foundational concepts give us the vocabulary we need to understand and discuss AI with confidence. AI is a broad term for technology that can learn, reason, and make decisions in ways that resemble human thinking. Machine learning allows systems to get better at tasks by analyzing patterns in data rather than following fixed rules. Generative AI is the technology behind tools like ChatGPT that can write, summarize, and create original content. Large language models power the conversational AI tools many of us are already starting to use at work. Now let us explore the practical ways AI is already changing how we work and where it can add the most value. AI is being applied across virtually every business function. Here are some of the most impactful examples. AI can draft emails, summarize long threads, and help us communicate more clearly and efficiently. AI tools can analyze large datasets in seconds, surfacing insights that would take hours to find manually. Generative AI helps us create first drafts, design visuals, and build presentations much faster. AI-powered modeling helps us evaluate options and make data-driven decisions with greater confidence. Separating AI myths from reality helps us set appropriate expectations and use AI tools effectively. Many misconceptions about AI lead to either unfounded fear or dangerous over-reliance on AI outputs. The reality is that AI is a powerful tool that works best when guided by human judgment, critical thinking, and oversight. Using AI responsibly at work requires following a clear framework that protects quality, privacy, and fairness. We must verify every AI output before using it, because AI can generate plausible but incorrect information. We protect sensitive company and customer data by never entering it into public AI tools without authorization. We should be open about when AI has assisted in creating content or informing decisions. We evaluate AI outputs for potential biases that could lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. We commit to ongoing learning as AI tools evolve rapidly and new best practices emerge. Here are practical steps every employee can take to begin using AI tools effectively and responsibly today. Beginning with low-risk tasks lets us build confidence and learn how AI tools behave before tackling complex work. AI outputs are starting points, not finished products. Our expertise and judgment are what make them valuable. Every organization has guidelines for AI use, and following them protects both us and the company. When we discover effective AI techniques, sharing them with teammates accelerates learning for everyone. Let us recap the essential insights from our AI primer. Understanding this fundamental truth helps us use AI confidently without over-reliance or unnecessary fear. Regardless of our job function, AI tools can make us more productive when used appropriately. AI responsibility is everyone's job, and it starts with simple habits we can build into our daily workflow. The best way to build AI confidence is to start experimenting today and keep learning as the technology evolves. If this preview was helpful, the full Udemy course provides hands-on exercises, real-world use cases, and a complete responsible AI toolkit for every employee. Enroll today and become AI confident. Before you go, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We regularly share free vouchers and exclusive discount codes for all our Udemy courses. Join our learning community and never miss out on free learning opportunities. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Embrace AI as your productivity partner.